that's next. Yeah, no, they broke it. It catches. It's probably still got, well, from running through that water and not being the right fluid, and it still has part of the old fluid in it mixed with it, so.
Probably have to get it forward, run it, drain it, run it, drain it.
I probably wouldn't do it that many times. Flex Seal. Or no, Plasti Dip. You can get a can of it at Walmart. I bought it for my electronics in my RC car. It's Plasti Dip. Plasti Dip. Not on mine, my RC car.
No, I said you would spray it on one of these?
Yeah, it doesn't do nothing. All it is liquid tape. That's all it is. Fuck that. What time is it? You still got your same phone? Is it still working? Must be too deep for him. Hey, see if you can ride around. See if you can ride around. Oh man, it's fun. You just gotta have speed. Oh! You wanna try it on this? It's easier on this. Yeah. You wanna try this? I wanna get a video. No, I don't wanna take my helmet off. my head wet. He already quit. No, you won't. You're not at that much of an angle. Just put it in high, hold it wide open.
That's what I'm afraid of.
You won't do that. That's light, that's why.
I can feel it.
You're fine. All you do is lean. It's so easy.
Leaving on this don't make a difference.
That does. I told you just to lean over and go.
Lean over, you're rear end.
The faster you go, hey, the faster you go, the more stable you are. Watch. I'm good. I want to make it around it.
It's easy to tell when that thing just gets up and goes.
No. Yeah, I'm good. I want something to make it. You want to try it on this? It's so easy. Why not? What are you gonna mess up? It's sand. What? Where's it gonna go? Down the hill? You're only 6 feet up the fucking thing to begin with. It's easy. Try it on this first. Hammer it. See how fast I went around? See how smooth it was? You don't even feel the bumps. Because I got it all smoothed out. You want to try it on this? Do it on this. You do it on that one. Well, I only paid double for that. This, half. I only paid $500 more. What's it gonna do? Roll in the sand? Nope. Yeah. Here, try it on this. It's easy. You did it on that one. What's the difference? This is a lot easier. There we go. There we go. Hold it open. Oh, he gave up. You're fine. You need to get more speed. Get more speed. I know. About another 30 foot. Here, try it on this. Hold it. Hey, when you get back here, I hold it wide open. I don't let off until I get right there where he is. That's where I let off. You want to try it on that? It's fun. It ain't gonna do no more than what I've done.
This starts getting lower or slower.
Yeah. Yeah.